guys, welcome back to Autoheadz. Thanks for checking out today's video. If you're not subscribed yet, please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. And if you end up liking today's video, hit that like button. So last week we did the 2021 F150 LEDs. We did all the front headlights. Today I'm going to give some love to the 2016. I completely neglected the back of this F150 for LEDs. AUXITO was nice enough to send me their LED reverse lights, their LED brake lights, and they gave me some LED license plate lights. Let's jump right into it. The tools needed for this job include a socket wrench, an 8mm socket, and a pry tool. We're going to get started by removing the two 8mm bolts, one here and one here. Take your pry tool, give it some gentle pressure out and away, and then start pulling this whole headlight towards you. It should pop right out. Just wanted to give you guys a look at where these little tabs are. That's why you got to pull this straight towards you. You can't pry it away or you'll break those two pins. Alright, once you remove that tail light, you're just going to pop out these old halogen bulbs. Get these out of the way. There's just two for this whole headlight unit, quarter turn, and they should pop right out. Alright, we removed the old halogen bulbs. Let's pop the new AUXITO LEDs in, starting with the reverse light. The reverse light goes into that green housing, and then the brake light goes into this tan or kind of brown colored housing. At least that's how it works for my vehicle. Now just to put this back, reverse order, the green socket with the reverse light goes at the bottom. And this tan colored socket with the brake LED light goes on top. Now these pins are kind of one and you're done. You really do not want to break these, so make sure you put this in nice and easy. Line up all the holes, give it some good firm pressure, and it should pop right back in. I made sure to put a little bit of pressure on the back of these taillights when I was screwing this back in. You really want to make sure that the fitment is perfect, everything's nice and tight. You don't want any water to leak into the back of these taillights. Alright, so here are the details of this really sweet giveaway and awesome discount code that AUXITO told me to share with my viewers. From April 11th till April 17th, AUXITO is going to give all of my viewers a 25% off discount code. You can see that code below. Also, if you're watching this video and you leave a comment between the 11th and the 17th, any comment at all, you're going to be put in the running to get whatever you want. One item, one set of bulbs from AUXITO. Go on their website, use the link in the description, pick anything out, and you're going to be able to get it for free. I'm going to pick the winner on the 16th. We're going to announce it on the 17th. Good luck. All the details are in the description. Alright, now that we're done with the tail light, let's get this bed back up and start working on the license plate lights. This is going to be where they're located, right under here. All you're going to do is a little quarter turn counterclockwise and it should pop right out. Now I had some trouble with this. I was not able to pull this out barehanded. I had to use my little pry tool here. Just make sure obviously the light is not on when you're doing this, and be very, very gentle. I just pried it up enough to where I could pull it out with my hand, and that was good to go for me. Alright, then we're going to take our nice new license plate lights by AUXITO, throw these in here. These do have polarity, so if you have them one way and they don't work, flip them around, put them back in, and they should work just fine. Reverse order, throw it in. Make sure it's nice and snug, and then do a quarter turn to the right clockwise, and we're back in. Quick before and after. We have a very dull halogen, kind of that orange color, to the bright white AUXITO LED. Alright, now let's cut to some night scenes so you guys can really see what these LEDs look like in low light. Ooh, baby! As you can see, these LEDs look sick. They look so nice. They're really bright, very, very clean look, really modernized the back end of this truck. I don't know why I waited so long to do this, but man, I'm excited. They look so nice. Everything matches now. Everything's LED. You can see all the little individual diodes as I zoom in here. It's a beautiful looking light. I really like the design of both of these. These brake lights are super clean now. They have a really nice brightness to them. They're not too bright. They just fill up that lamp with red light. They look really crisp, really clear. Now here's a demonstration of the reverse lights. These are a huge, huge upgrade from stock. So nice to have really bright reverse lights, because with that backup camera, sometimes it's tough to see. Those cameras aren't the greatest, especially with this 2016 F150. It's a little dated now. Having all that extra light really improves the camera. The camera at low light is kind of garbage. With this extra light, it looks a lot better. And here's a quick little side-by-side. You get the AUXITO reverse light on the left and stock on the right. As you can tell, a huge difference here. Then in conclusion, we have the halogen on the right, halogen stock bulb on the right, and then we have the brand new AUXITO LED on the left.
Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button. And if you want to see more videos on my F150 or my Lexus IS350, please hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.